It had been fascinating, typical August day. Finally, it's been very excited and very jittery August day. And guys, more we're gonna get into August, towards the end of August, more unpredictable and jittery it will become. As spelled out on Trades and News, the volume is more than 20% below. The volume will drop to as low as 50 to 75% below normal. That's what happens during August trading. Very aggressive time to trade. This is trade 5 and trade 6 on oil. I am trailing my 21 range and my 8 range very carefully. My trail on 8 range 106.83. My trail on 21 range 106.66. As you could see, on 8 range we already reached danger zone levels. Why was I so convinced about taking long when we have such a powerful short trend? For the same exact reasons. Know where your levels are. Decision point 1. So what has happened with all the prior trades on oil? We had taken 2 prior trades on oil where the second trade reached 1 tick prior to decision point 1 and reversed. Decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend. It doesn't matter if it's 1 hour. It doesn't matter if it's 8, 5 or 21 range, as we had been taking trades on the S5 and 8 range. Currently, we've been sitting in this trade for an hour and a half. If you're a prudent and conservative trader, you take in very long vacations during the months of August, or you spend time learning. I'm adjusting my stop on 21 range to break even. Pay attention to what happened with my 8 range. I am completely out. Why? As expected, because my trade had reached danger zone levels. So there we go. The exciting world of trading and the fascinating world of trading in the months of August. As I was gone last week, I expect to be gone completely next week, and I'm thrilled and very happy to take off for lunch with Rich, who is my private mentoring client who is visiting from beautiful Columbia, Maryland. And that's the magic of Alpha Wave Trader method. If you don't trade during the months of August, which is incredibly entertaining, if you are monitoring and learning, it's a good and prudent thing. So I highly encourage you, spend time learning or vacationing or traveling. But to trade during this time is very jittery and very unpredictable. ES is completely comatose, but don't be fooled. The jitterness and volatility will come. And as I expected pullback on oil from decision point 2, that's the reason why I moved my stop to break even. So there we go. Very clear. 8, 15, 21 and 13 range. We had shown them all this morning. Prior we had 2 trades on ES, 1 trade that spelled out very critically how important and critical the levels are. And ES may be stuck here for the rest of the day. So there we go. If you know where decision points and danger zone levels are, you know what not to enter into, you know where to monitor for reversals. But this structure on oil, let's talk about it, as we're still babysitting ES. We are out of 2 prior trades on oil. This structure is showing that oil has very strong potential blasting through. My next support 106.16 and 105.50. I would be incredibly excited if Wednesday during news release oil would be at danger zone levels. This would be very powerful area to buy. But I'm still monitoring oil. We still have a few more minutes left to see what oil will do next, as this support is critically respected. 4 days in a row, 5 actually. 5.